So, hello to another Rhulani insight from one of our guest rooms. Did you ever ask yourself your questions if in a hotel I can actually bring my dirty clothes to laundry so that it get washed here? Of course, in hotels we have these services often, and also in Rhulani Safari Lodge. Also here out in the bush, maybe you don't have the idea that such a service exists, but in this blog I just wanted to make you aware of this possibility of service. Maybe you're on travel through South Africa for some weeks, and in the middle it's actually good that you get your clothes washed. So the service at Rhulani is very simple. You find in the cupboard in your room, so here on that side, you'll find the laundry bag. Yeah, it's a very nice bag here. Oh, Rhulani branded, your laundry. So here, hopefully it's big enough for all the clothes that you would like that we wash for you. And you also find this form where you can write your name and your room. And then, of course, for each item that you would like to put in, please just tick the box and tell us what you would like to have washed. It is an extra cost. It comes then to your room bill. So in my case now here, I've just one shirt. So very easy, put it in the bag. And then what do I do with my bag? Just leave it in the room so that your housekeeper will find it next time comes here, or give it to reception. So I just place it here in front of the bed, and don't forget to fill that out and also put it in so that we can also make the count if everything is correct. So I hope you are now aware of this service. Please use it. We do this with pleasure. And the clothes come back in the evening of the same day, weather permitting. Good. Wishing you a wonderful day. This was my Rhulani Insights. Bye bye.